Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the most frequently asked questions here at Dalinghaus Construction for your foundation repair project. Today's question is, do you offer financing? That answer is going to be yes. We offer financing through a third-party finance company specifically for foundation repair projects. So you can reach out to them, we send them a quote, and they tell you what you're qualified for based on your credit history and all that fun stuff. It's really simple, it's super quick. They even have an app that you can download onto your phone, and you can fill it out, the information right there, and get a response within 5 minutes. So it's a super simple solution for somebody that doesn't have the cash available. If rates are at a low level, it may be better for you to get the financing done than to take the cash out of where you're gonna pull it, because that's probably gonna make you more money than what it's gonna charge you in interest in financing your project. And what's great is there's no penalty payoff early, so that's always a viable option as well. That's gonna wrap this one up, and that's today's most commonly asked question in the foundation repair industry.